Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and probate attorney. I've mentioned before that I have an associate in my office and he handles contested guardianship, contested probate matters, and matrimonial actions. We have a divorce client presently in the office and we work in tandem on these cases. The client came in today into my office so upset, concerned, and very nervous because she has a power of attorney with the agent of her power of attorney being the husband that she's in the middle of the divorce with. She has a will. He's her executor. Her husband that she's battling with is her healthcare proxy. She was so nervous because she just realized it. She located the documents, thought about it. Actually, she located copies. And her concern was that if some tragic event happened, he could pull the plug on her while she's going through the divorce. So I spoke to her about this. I think I reassured her. We're going to put in place, effective immediately, revocations. We're going to revoke the power of attorney. I told her to go back home and come in tomorrow and find me the original documents. She believes she knows where her original will is. She wasn't quite as sure about the power of attorney, healthcare proxy, and living will. And I was not the attorney that drafted those documents. And her concern was, what if he has these originals and they need, they can be used? And what if he has the power of attorney? So tomorrow, nearly immediately, it was discovered today. She came into the office right away, no appointment, just came in, presented the situation to me. And matter of fact, she had gone to the police first. They told her to speak to a lawyer. She was nervous. Now, she asked me if she had to go back to the lawyer that drafted the documents, and she doesn't. We're in the middle of, my office is representing her in the middle of a divorce. Tomorrow I'm gonna put the attorney for the divorce, for the gentleman, on notice. We're gonna prepare letters of revocation for these documents. I did request that she went back home. I directed her to go back home and find the original documents. Because if we have the original documents, then that'll give her peace of mind that we could really destroy the documents, right? Rip up the power of attorney. And I would still send out the letter of revocation just in case the gentleman wanted to use a copy. Now, really this is the right course of action. But to further reassure this client or anyone listening, this would require the other person to intentionally commit a fraud, right? If he or anyone was going to use a power of attorney, only having the copy, not the original. And when you use a power of attorney, you have to sign an affidavit, a sworn statement on the day that you're using it, that you know that it's in full force and effect. And I have to believe that if you're in the middle of a divorce, you might think that the power of attorney shouldn't be used. Either way, I told her we're gonna do the old belt and suspenders routine. Right? If you have a belt and suspenders, your pants don't fall down. If we have the originals, we will destroy them, and we'll do letters to the gentleman and to his attorney. So maybe there's more than belt and suspenders. I need a third thing. Safety pins.